Hello, and welcome to Cindy's Corner. Today, boys and girls, if you've got the book Splish, Splash, go get it so you can follow along. And we're going S-P-L, spl. That's a consonant blend of 3 letters, spl or splash. All right, so spl. Spl, splish, splash. If you've got this book, go get it so you can follow along. While they're getting their book, if you haven't hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on the fun stuff that Cindy's Corner's got for you, go ahead and do that. Hit that subscribe button, and most important, hit that thumbs up. Because then you're going to have to give me some comments, and on your challenge, you can do your comment as your challenge. All right, Splish Splash. The author is Margaret Allen, and it's Dr. Margaret Allen. And the illustrator is C.A. Nobbins. Here's our title page, Splish Splash. Where do you think they are? At the beach? Probably he's got a sand bucket and a little shovel. Got crab here. It's a sand crab, like Port Lavaca sand crabs. Got a starfish here. Scrappy likes the beach. He likes to do splits in the soft sand dunes. You do the splits in the sand. He likes to make a string of shells. Wow, putting all the shells on a string. He likes to watch kids scream and stretch to jump the waves. Scream and stretch. Some more words. Looks like fun, but Scrappy does not go in. Scrappy is scared to swim. Poor Scrappy. Why do you think he's afraid to swim? Afraid he's going to get wet or drown? Mr. Stream, the swim coach, says, Scrappy, do not be scared. Trust me. I will teach you to swim. Mr. Stream holds Scrappy up in the waves. Now, move your arms and kick your feet. Is that what somebody did to you? That's what I did to my kids. Scrappy moves his arms. He kicks his feet. It feels good. Now Scrappy screams and jumps in the waves. Scrappy's in now, isn't he? Look, Mr. Stream, look, yells Scrappy. Now I am not scared. Now I can swim. Good, Scrappy, says Mr. Stream. I am very proud of you. And away goes Scrappy into the waves. Splish, splash, splish, splash, splish, splash. Swimming away just like the turtles. All right, so today I want you to tell me some of the spl or the blends that start with a SP and maybe they have a L, or what other words did we say? Okay? We said splish and splash. Some of you are getting it. Splits. Good. Did the splits. And this one is not SP, but it's ST. What they do with the shells, he put them on a, you got it. So write those words down. And then I want you to tell me or draw me a picture of you swimming. And how did you learn to swim? Tell me, did somebody just throw you in? Or did they take their time and put their hand under their belly and tell you to kick and move your arms? Tell me, how did you learn to swim if you know how? And if you didn't know how do you think you're going to do this year? Are you going to learn to swim? I hope you had a great time with our splish splash story and our spool blends, our consonant blends. And I can't wait to see your comments or your pictures. All right. And if you comment or picture, make sure I have the way to get a hold of you, because your name will go in for our May drawing for a special book called Why Bears Hibernate All Winter. This book was written by Tommy and Cindy Coleman. That's right. So if you can't wait to see if you're going to win, you can always get your copy on Amazon. You can just type in Cindy Coleman and it'll come up, okay? I think you'll love this book. I can't wait to read it to you. I hope you get your copy so that we can read it together. All right. If you enjoyed our story today, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Most important, you got it. Give somebody a hug and tell them you love them.